In this video, I'll walk you through my personal experience with Miami Hair Transplant Clinic, which specializes in hair restoration. From the first consultation to the results, I'll share what I went through. The clinic offers a variety of services, and their team walks you through each step of the process. Initially, I was uncertain about the procedure, but after my consultation, I felt reassured by the professionalism and expertise of their staff. They offer different methods of hair restoration, such as FUE and FUT, with detailed consultations to determine which approach is best for you. Their transparency about the process and expectations really stood out to me, as many other clinics I researched didn't go into such depth. However, it's not all perfect. During my experience, I faced some communication issues with the clinic's customer service, which delayed some of the follow-ups I was expecting. That being said, once everything was in motion, the procedure itself went smoothly. I found that the results started to show after a few months, and I was pleased with how my hair began to grow back. Still, I would have appreciated more post-op care and follow-up from the clinic. Did you know people waste so much time just resetting passwords? I used to be one of them, until I found Locker.io, and now I don't even think about it. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. After the procedure, I did notice some shedding, which is normal, but it was a bit concerning at first. The clinic reassured me that this was part of the process. Over time, I noticed a significant improvement in hair thickness, though it took longer than I initially expected. If you're planning to go through with a hair transplant, be prepared for the long-term commitment of aftercare and the possibility of gradual results. Overall, Miami Hair Transplant Clinic offers a professional service with effective results. But be sure to manage your expectations and stay patient during the healing process. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video. I'll continue bringing you honest, in-depth reviews on different hair restoration options. Stay tuned for more updates.